Hey guys, it's Grace Snaps here. Today I'm gonna be recreating another squishy YouTuber's squishy creation. This is actually a collab video with Pandaz. She has just started doing YouTube, so we will be recreating each other's creations. Without further ado, let's just get started. She has an Instagram account where she posts all her squishy creations, and I've chosen this pink marshmallow squishy to recreate. Marshmallow is like cylinder shape, so I just cut out a cylinder. So I round off the edges to make it look more marshmallow-like, as marshmallows are cuter and like have rounder edges. And next, I changed the design a little bit, as I don't really like the color of the marshmallow. I don't like bright pink in general. I like pastel pink. You can already tell that I like pastel colors, so for her creation, she actually added this cute little white dots in the eyes. I don't really like that. I think it makes it look not as cute, so I decided to just paint it exactly whole thing black. Decided to add some shadows and highlights to the marshmallow to give it a little bit more depth. For the packaging, I see that she put in quite a bit of effort by using like a paper to create the site, and so I did that as well. So that's what I did, and I know that this is about remaking creation. I think I have my own style to it, so I'm just recreating it in my own style. I think it came out looking super cute, and it's also super squishy, which I really like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. I will also be recreating some of my own old squishy creations, so if you are interested in that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button right below. Oh, make sure you check out her video as well. I'll put her channel and video link down below. She's just starting her new channel, so be nice, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!